All right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So Pepe, I've given you yesterday this one bit of a resistance right there, which is forming up on the 1 hour time frame. So at the moment, we haven't really broken below this head and shoulder pattern. We haven't done it just yet. So we don't have a direction to go down just yet. And one thing that I can say is that the 1 hour time frame is actually incredibly oversold. And to me right now, if you do try to zoom in here for Pepe, you can actually see that potentially what you're trying to do is the following. You're trying to break above this trend line, which you're actually pretty much doing right now. So let me just zoom out a little bit like that and put this line like this, and it seems that you have finally broken above this trend line right here. Now breaking is not enough. We do need a move down for the retest. So you want to see come down here, retest a little bit, and then try to move back up. So that's going to be something about Pepe that I'm looking forward to. Now, if the retest gets successful, then who knows, you can actually just potentially try to go back up here, which can offer, which can also offer a move up for 24% to the upside. Now, I don't know, cannot really say for 100%. There's one more little bit of a influence as well, and that is this break has never happened. And you could be in the range here for something like that, okay? Actually, I do like this more better. We haven't really broken out, my bad, because this still is valid. So if you look at it that way, then if the trend line is right, okay, you do have one touch, second touch, third touch, and that's actually the fourth one, and this was never a touch, okay? So I think there's a little bit of a range trap. This is known as range trap or something like that. So always try to learn technical analysis. I do have an 18-hours course for you to teach you, and these are all the smallest thing that really makes a big difference, okay? Drawing a proper trend line is what a lot of people even miss. They don't really understand, and I'm really trying my best to give you the best trend lines and the best possible chart patterns which have been actually working so much so far. 90% of them has been working until now. So yeah, if someone wants to learn, let me know. Message me up on Twitter. So basically, we still have some time to come in for a decision. If you look at Pepe 2 as well, it also has time to come in for a decision. So right now, you potentially can be rejected right here and go down. And if you do zoom in on the 1 hour time frame, you have a shooting star. So on the 1 hour time frame, that the candle that you see, if I zoom in there, this candle is known as shooting star, and basically when you move upside, you make a shooting star. You can actually open up a short position and maybe put a stop loss somewhere here, and it starts to move even lower. And who knows, maybe this could be the final place where you start to open up a short position. In my opinion, this is the best place to put the stop, or probably somewhere near here, okay? And you start to move down. Imagine moving down all the way and breaking all the way to the downside to go to this technical target. I don't know, but this is known as almost the banking system. Like, the banks don't really care if the break is going to happen. What they do is they just think that the break is probably going to happen to the downside due to the past data. This is not just a fluke or random guesses. No, but there is a reason why they think, because this is a move up, head and shoulder distribution going on. So the best bet is that after this distribution, you're going to be looking at a correction to the downside. So they do not really wait for they move down and then they come for the retest. They don't even wait for the retest. They just like to see, okay, the prices are here, the resistance is actually right there, let's open up a short position, just thinking that we're going to go down here and we're going to continue lower right there. Now this is actually even good. Why? Because when you go down here, you can actually bring your stop losses to your entries, and it makes it more simple of a trading style. Like, for example, if you try to buy after a break and you go back for the retest and you buy right there, it goes down again, you take your stop loss and then you go down. How about you just buy here, and when it goes down like this, you have an opportunity to bring your stop losses lower to your entries, and it becomes risk-free. Even if it comes down for a stop loss hunt, it doesn't go as up as your entry really is, if it does make sense. So that's it for this update. Let me know if you like this trading strategy idea. There's more of the secrets on how to get entries. I do have a really multiple hours conversation on how to take entries using the Fibonacci retracement indicators, so many things. Okay, so that's it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.